Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your bio in Telegram account. Wouldn't it be nice if you can put a very fine bio next to your username whenever someone views your profile? So in this video, we're gonna do just that. Change your bio into something attractive and expressive about yourself. Now to do that, it's a pretty straightforward process. Once you've downloaded your Telegram app and logged into your account, just open a Telegram app and at the top to the left hand side there is hamburger menu. Just click on it and there is my profile. Let's select it. In here there is a pencil icon at the top right corner. So select it. Now there is name section, last name section, and your channel, and there is your bio. So write a fitting bio. Let's say I will just want to say fitting bio for me, and once you click on this check mark, your bio will be added. Now you know how to change your bio in Telegram app or your Telegram account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing bio in Telegram account, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.